Music. Need a personal loan? Check out Bondora. Links are in the description. Bondora is a peer-to-peer lending platform offering loans from €2,000 to €10,000, repayable over 3 months to 5 years. Perfect for debt consolidation, home repairs, or emergencies, Bondora is available in several European countries. The entire process is online. Apply and get funds in 1 to 2 business days. Bondora offers competitive interest rates based on your creditworthiness. Better credit means lower rates. While rates may be higher for lower credit scores, Bondora is a fast, accessible option, even if traditional banks say no. Bondora is transparent with no hidden fees. Their user-friendly dashboard makes tracking your loan easy. It's a straightforward digital solution for your personal financing. Poor credit? Be ready for higher rates and possibly smaller loan amounts. Overall, Bondora is a solid choice for personal loans with flexible terms and fast approval. It's a great alternative to traditional banks, especially with good credit. Before applying, budget carefully to manage repayments. Learn more in the description below.